Hello everyone, welcome back to English Booster Channel. I am very happy to see you again.
Hello, friends. Today we have a very interesting lesson for you.
Yes, today we will learn how to speak English at the airport.
Many people feel nervous when they travel by airplane.
But do not worry, we will help you speak English with confidence.
You will learn real sentences people use at the airport.
By the end of this video, you will understand airport conversations easily.
So stay with us and practice speaking with us.
Today, we are at the airport.
Yes, we are waiting for our flight.
Many people are traveling today.
Some people are checking their tickets.
Some people are checking their luggage.
Others are waiting at the boarding gate.
Today, we will practice useful airport conversations
You will learn how to ask questions at the airport.
and how to answer airport staff.
Let's start our conversation.
Alex, is this your first time at the airport?
No, I travel sometimes, but I still feel excited.
I feel excited too. The airport looks very busy today.
Yes, many flights are leaving today.
Where are you going today?
I am flying to Singapore.
That sounds wonderful. Why are you going there?
I am going there for a business meeting.
That is interesting. How long will you stay there?
I will stay for 5 days.
Did you already check in?
Yes, I checked in online this morning.
That is convenient.
Yes, it saves time at the airport.
Do you have a lot of luggage?
I only have one suitcase and a backpack.
That is good. Traveling light is easier.
Yes, carrying heavy luggage is tiring.
Did you weigh your suitcase?
Yes, I checked the weight at home.
That is smart.
I wanted to avoid extra baggage fees.
Talking about tickets. Can I see your boarding pass?
Sure, here it is.
Oh, your seat is near the window.
Yes, I like window seats.
Why do you like window seats?
I enjoy looking at the clouds.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it feels peaceful during the flight.
Finding the boarding gate. Do you know where your boarding gate is?
Yes, my gate is gate 14.
Is it far from here?
No, it is just around the corner.
That is convenient.
Yes, I will walk there after this conversation.
Security check discussion. Did you go through security already?
Yes, I passed the security check.
Was it crowded?
Not really. The line moved quickly.
That is good.
Yes, sometimes the lines are very long.
Waiting at the airport. What will you do before boarding?
I will sit at the waiting area.
Maybe you can drink some coffee.
That is a good idea.
Airports usually have nice cafes.
Yes, I saw a coffee shop near the gate.
Talking about the flight. What time does your flight depart?
My flight leaves at 3:30 p.m.
That is soon.
Yes, boarding will start in 30 minutes.
Are you excited about the trip?
Yes, I always enjoy traveling.
Traveling helps us learn new things.
And we meet new people.
Talking about travel. Do you travel often?
Sometimes I travel for work.
What is your favorite travel destination?
I love visiting Japan.
Why do you like Japan?
The culture is amazing.
I would love to visit someday.
You should. It's a wonderful place.
Now, let's learn some important airport sentences. Sentence 1. Sentence. Where is the boarding gate? Meaning, you ask this when you want to know the gate number. Example, where is the boarding gate for flight 302? Sentence 2. Sentence, can I see your boarding pass? Meaning, airport staff ask this before boarding. Example, the officer asked, can I see your boarding pass? Sentence 3. Sentence, my flight departs at 3 p.m. Meaning, you tell someone your flight time. Example, my flight departs in 1 hour. Sentence 4. Sentence, do you have any luggage? Meaning, staff ask about your bags. Example, yes, I have one suitcase.
Now we will practice speaking slowly. Listen carefully. I am waiting for my flight. Repeat after me. I am waiting for my flight. Slowly. I am waiting for my flight.
Next sentence. My flight leaves at 3:30. Repeat after me. My flight leaves at 3:30. Slowly. My flight leaves at 3:30.
Now it's time for a listening test. Listen carefully. I checked in online today. Can you repeat it?
Next sentence. I am looking for gate 14. Can you say it? Hello, Alex. Where are you going today?
I am flying to Singapore.
Did you check in already?
Yes, I checked in online.
Where is your boarding gate?
My gate is gate 14.
When does your flight depart?
My flight leaves at 3:30 p.m.
Great job, everyone!
Today you learned how to speak English at the airport.
Practice these sentences every day.
The more you practice, the more confident you become.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to our channel.
And share this video with your friends.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Alex, the check-in counters are right over there.
Yes, I can see the airline staff helping passengers.
Shall we go to the counter together?
Sure, I still need to drop off my suitcase.
Let's stand in this line.
The line looks short today.
That is good. We will finish quickly.
I always keep my passport ready before reaching the counter.
That is a smart habit. At the counter. Good afternoon. May I have your passport, please?
Good afternoon. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Could you place your suitcase on the scale?
Of course, I will put it here.
Your luggage weight is within the limit.
That is great to hear.
Do you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat?
I would like an aisle seat today.
No problem. I will assign seat 18C.
Thank you very much.
Here is your boarding pass.
I appreciate your help.
Your boarding gate is gate 14.
Thank you for the information.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
The check-in process was very smooth.
Yes, the staff were very helpful.
Now we must go through immigration.
Yes, that is the next step before boarding.
I see the immigration counter is ahead.
Let's join that queue.
At the immigration desk. Good afternoon. What is the purpose of your trip?
I am traveling for business.
How long will you stay abroad?
I will stay for 5 days.
Which city will you visit?
I will visit Singapore.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I have already booked my return flight.
Please place your passport on the scanner.
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your documents look fine.
I'm glad to hear that.
Enjoy your journey.
Thank you very much.
After immigration. Congratulations, you completed immigration successfully.
Yes, it was quicker than I expected.
Now you can relax before boarding.
I might explore the airport shops.
That sounds like a good plan. At the boarding gate. Look, the boarding gate is right in front of us.
Yes, many passengers are already waiting here.
The screen shows the flight status.
It says boarding will begin shortly.
People look excited for their trips.
Airports always have an energetic atmosphere.
I agree. Traveling brings happiness to many people. Airport announcement. Attention passengers, boarding for flight 302 will start soon. The announcement just started.
Yes, passengers are getting ready to line up.
Do you usually board early or later?
I prefer boarding early to settle comfortably.
That makes sense. Boarding the plane. Flight attendant. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Your seat is 18C.
Yes, that is correct.
Your seat is down the aisle on the left.
Thank you for guiding me.
Inside the airplane. The airplane cabin looks spacious.
Yes, the seats look comfortable.
Did you store your bag in the overhead compartment?
Yes, I placed it above my seat.
That is convenient.
Now I can sit and relax.
Before takeoff. The crew is preparing for departure.
Yes, the safety instructions will begin soon.
I always listen carefully to safety instructions.
That is important for every passenger.
During the flight. How do you usually spend time on a flight?
Sometimes I read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
Sometimes I watch movies on the screen.
Airplane entertainment is improving every year.
Yes, it makes long flights enjoyable.
What do you enjoy most about flying?
I enjoy the feeling of seeing the world from above.
That must be beautiful.
Yes, the view of the clouds is amazing.
Travel truly expands our perspective.
Absolutely. Every journey teaches something new.
Arrival preparation. The flight will land soon.
Yes, the captain just made an announcement.
Passengers are preparing for landing.
I am looking forward to arriving safely.
Great job, everyone.
You just learned many useful airport conversations.
Now it is time to practice these sentences.
Listening and repeating will improve your speaking skills.
Great work, everyone. Now we will learn some important airport sentences.
These sentences will help you communicate easily while traveling.
Sentence 1. Sentence. Could you guide me to the check-in desk?
Meaning, you ask this when you need help finding the check-in counter.
Example. Excuse me, could you guide me to the check-in desk for this airline? Sentence 2.
Sentence. Is this the correct line for international departures? Meaning, you ask this to confirm if you are standing in the right queue.
Example. Hello, is this the correct line for international departures? Sentence 3.
Sentence. I need assistance with my travel documents. Meaning, you say this when you want help with your passport or papers.
Example. Excuse me, I need assistance with my travel documents. Sentence 4.
Sentence. Where can I collect my baggage after landing? Meaning, you ask this to know where to pick up your luggage.
Example. Where can I collect my baggage after landing in this airport? Sentence 5.
Sentence. Could you explain the boarding procedure? Meaning, you ask about the steps before entering the plane.
Example. Excuse me, could you explain the boarding procedure for this flight? Sentence 6.
Sentence. I would like some information about my flight. Meaning, you use this when asking airport staff about details.
Example. Hello, I would like some information about my flight schedule. These sentences are very useful for travelers.
Try to practice them several times.
Practice sentence 1. Sentence. Could you show me the way to the duty-free shops? Repeat after me. Could you show me the way to the duty-free shops? Slow version. Could you show me the way to the duty-free shops? Practice sentence 2.
Sentence. I would like to confirm my flight details. Repeat after me. I would like to confirm my flight details. Slow version. I would like to confirm my flight details.
Practice sentence 3. Sentence. Can you tell me the location of the information desk? Repeat after me. Can you tell me the location of the information desk? Slow version. Can you tell me the location of the information desk? Practice sentence 4.
Sentence. I am traveling internationally for the first time. Repeat after me. I am traveling internationally for the first time. Slow version. I am traveling internationally for the first time.
Practice sentence 5. Sentence. Please let me know when boarding begins. Repeat after me. Please let me know when boarding begins. Slow version. Please let me know when boarding begins. Excellent practice. Speaking slowly improves pronunciation. Hello, Alex. Are you ready for your trip?
Yes, everything is prepared.
Did you organize your travel documents?
Yes, I kept them safely in my bag.
Did airport staff help you today?
Yes, they gave clear instructions.
Are you excited about your journey?
Absolutely. Traveling always makes me happy.
That is wonderful to hear. Fantastic work, everyone.
Today, you practiced real English used at airports.
These conversations will help you travel with confidence.
Try to repeat these sentences every day.
Regular practice improves fluency.
And confidence grows with every lesson.
If you enjoyed learning with us, please support our channel.
Subscribe for more real-life English lessons.
Thank you for learning with us.
We will see you again very soon.
Both. Keep practicing English every day.